Knotted headband in two tones without any ribbons, close the edge here. Stay tuned. Hey, it's Trisa from Anju Risa. You can call me Risa. In this video, I will show you how to make this knotted headband with two different fabrics. It makes this headband looks unique. We don't even need a ribbon to close the edge here, which make this headband very comfortable. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. This is only one color knotted headband. If you want to watch this tutorial, you can check out my previous videos right on the top side here. Now we are going to make the two tones headband that I am wearing. You can choose any headband for this, any size, any width, any length. So out of these, I think I will use these black colors. The width is about 2 centimeters. And the width, actually it's not important. The most important is the length of the headband. The length of my headband is about 40 centimeters. 40 centimeters. Because the headband size will determine the size of our fabric. Now let us prepare the fabric. We are going to need two different fabrics. The length of this fabric should be the size of our headband plus 14 centimeters. So the size of my headband is 40 centimeter length. The length of this fabric should be 54 centimeters. And the width, this one is 6 centimeters. And the other one is 10 centimeters. So with the fabric different width, I will sew the fabrics together. Sew this part. And then after we sew this part, we are going to sew the other ends once again. But make sure to leave an opening right in the center, only on one side. I will show you later. So let's take this to the sewing machine. I have sewed both edges together and I leave an opening only on one side. Now let's place the pattern fabric right in the center. Right in the center here. And I will measure 7 centimeters on all edges. Now let's take our headband, the headband that we will use. Place it here right in the middle and mark it. Now connect the dots. Now we are going to finish the ends here. I will show the closer look. This is the back side and this is the front side. Now let's cut according to the shape. Turn the fabric through the opening here. Press the fabric flat down. Now, depending on the headband that you want to use, if you are using a headband with teeth, you can tie a knot directly to the headband. But if you want to make the headband fully covered by fabric, which you have to use a toothless headband for this. Prepare another fabric that is slightly larger than our headband. This is slightly longer, but we can cut it later. So I will attach some glue right on the bottom part here. And remember that if you are using a fabric with some beautiful patterns, make sure that the pattern is facing outside, facing us. Now it's time to cut the fabric slightly larger than the headband. Then cut all. It's the motorcycle sound. Then cut all along the fabric. About 1 inch is fine, or 2.5 centimeters. Attach some glue, fold the fabric. Now our headband is fully covered by fabric. You can take the long piece of fabric, place it in the middle, then tie a knot. Adjust the knot. If you are following my fabric size 14 centimeters longer than the headband, it will fit perfectly. Now you can attach some hot glue on the headband, stick the fabric, repeat once again, and that's it. Our beautiful knotted headband is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this tutorial useful, please give me a like and share this video. If you don't, it's not a problem. Just hit the dislike button and tell me below about what you don't like. If you have any requests, you can also write in the comments below. See you in my next video. Bye bye!